Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by eliminating simple physical limits. Remove the case and clear speaker grills so sound isn't muffled. Next, play media and push the media volume to max with the side keys. This immediately raises loudness. Once done, open sound settings and enable any loudness enhancer, Dolby Atmos, or equalizer presets. These increase perceived volume without distortion. You're doing quick, effective adjustments to get more output before deeper system changes. Now you move into system-level tweaks to squeeze extra volume. Enable developer options and disable absolute volume so you can control phone and Bluetooth device volumes separately. This often unlocks higher levels. Then, use the built-in equalizer or a trusted booster app to raise mid and high bands. These frequencies drive perceived loudness. If using Bluetooth, select a higher quality codec like aptX or LDAC and increase bitrate. Higher output fidelity often translates into louder, clearer sound. Finish by verifying across use cases. Play music, stream a video, and make a call to confirm louder, clearer audio. If you still see limits, update system firmware and reset sound settings to clear misconfigurations. Often software fixes restore proper gain. If your output becomes distorted, reduce EQ boosts and lower any app gain distortion means you've exceeded the speaker's headroom. As a final troubleshooting tip, if nothing helps, test with external BT speaker.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.